How to remove admin from Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply click on three lines at the top right and then switch your account to Facebook page. After you've switched to your Facebook page, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen again. After that, simply click on Settings located at top right, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down till you find Page Setup. Click on it. Then click on Page Access. In here, you will find your admin. Simply click on the person and you will find Remove Admin option. After that, you're good to go. This is how to remove admin from Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.